This content is for educational purposes only, not a professional advice. What is credit? Credit. We use it every day, often without even thinking about it. Whether it's promising to complete a task, borrowing money, or hiring someone to do a job, it all revolves around trust. Trust that promises will be kept. Credit isn't just about numbers or financial transactions. It's about the confidence others have in your ability to fulfill your promises. Think about it. When you rent a place, you promise to pay. When you're hired, you're trusted to do the work. And when you borrow money, you're expected to return it. At its core, credit is about reliability, how you've acted in the past, and how likely you are to do what you say in the future. So how do you build and maintain good credit, not just financially, but in all areas of life? First, only commit to what you know you can deliver. Overpromising can damage trust. Second, track your commitments. Make sure you're organized and clear about the promises you've made. Third, always deliver on your promises. Actions speak louder than word. And lastly, be mindful of the commitments others make to you. Evaluate their reliability before placing trust in them. Credit, in any form, is built on trust. By managing your promises well, you not only maintain good credit, but also build lasting, trustworthy relationships.